Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again in another episode. Um, just wanted to show you what's going on right now. And as you can see here, it's been pretty much this is it. This has been the entire day. I can't complain. I really can't complain because, well, if you saw the previous videos, even yesterday, well, you might remember that we caught this also this sale right here on S&P 500. So basically, going from the top to the bottom and now going from the bottom to the top. Hey, who knows? Perhaps, right? Let's see what's going to happen there. Well, I'll show you what I did right here and what we did on the VIP signal group. So right here, guys, we can see that there was an imbalance, huge imbalance created. There was a lot of consolidation here. The price touched three times. There was an order block here first, and it reacted. So it was a mitigated zone already. But today, the market, of course, since yesterday and now today, we were having, of course, this very important news. And today with the PPI report also. So it was very, very intense. Um, Markets are still bad, but why are they pushing up if the news were bad? I was kind of like thinking that the market could potentially continue to the downside. However, we had this auto block at the bottom formation, and it did get activated. But look at the massive rejection on a 4 hour. This was 4 hour time frame. So let's go to 1 hour right here and see what's going on right here. You have that huge pin bar right there. Also, let's go smaller time frame. This is what I was seeing. I kind of wanted to make another entry in this thing, which I did. I went on actually on a 5 minute time frame, and this thing played me out. Actually, today I was a little liquidity. I was the actual liquidity. I was liquidated. So right here, below this low, I would say, I don't know, got liquidity there because I spotted this potential little order block right there, and I did get in. I did actually send this to the team, unfortunately. So I did send it. The market just went down, stopping me out. After stopping me out, that thing decided to skyrocket. So all right, that's cool, fine. So I would say perhaps here I was trying to just to overview here and see what's going on, why the market reacted in this area. And I would say, okay, that was a potential order block as well. However, you see it was mitigated once, and now it came for the second time, messing me out right here before actually pushing out. But that's fine because I had this entry already running into profits, so no biggie. Losses, we're gonna have losses. We're not gonna be always able to even catch them all. Even though right here this push was not the best push, I was thinking that maybe this was the push that caused this change of character. So hey, I was seriously thinking that this was the actual order block, not this one at the bottom. Which yeah, it's weird, but it is what it is. It happens. So market is pushing up right now. Beautiful. Everything is on break even right now since the entry was done. Partial profits taken. Now the big question here: will it reach the top of this thing? Will actually be able to reach the top? That is a very good question. And the answers to that is we don't know. Literally, we don't know. I will show you what happened also on US 30 because I did make an entry on US 30 as well. However, I got scared. I literally got scared and I got in a little late. This is my late entry right here. I put that green line right there for you guys to see, well, for my students to see uh, where the entry was. I did not make a buy limit order. I did not place a buy limit order here on this one, although some of my students did. Actually, they were able to catch this entire push right now. So they are deeply into profits right here. Hang on. From here to here, so about 400, no, 356 pips already right there today on US 30. So congrats to those students who were able to catch this. So if you're interested, by the way, on what I'm doing, you can just go on teamprofitsenglish.com, and you will see that I'm offering a bundle right now, which it of course includes my course, mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. You want to check it out, you know, you want to learn what we're doing, yo, that's definitely for you. If you're looking only for signals, this is not good for you. Don't recommend it. Seriously, don't get it. All right. So right here, guys, this was my entry. But then what happened? I got in here, somewhere here aggressively. I was trying to spot some type of order block, and the freaking market actually did it. Like it did. Man, I'm so pissed right now because it did actually came to this imbalance. It covered the well, it went to the imbalance a little bit. Well, hold on. The order block was this one right here, right? I was seeing that thing, man. Like and I made the entry aggressively here. But then I got scared when the price was coming back down strong. I was like, holy cow. I will go. I think I'm gonna stay just with S&P because I would be risking a little bit more than I should have for my account. So I didn't want to over risk. So at least it's. I think I made the right decision. I was maybe over risking a little bit. So I got out. That thing just bounced right there. As soon as I got out, boom! That thing just skyrocketed after that. But again, my team, some of my students were able to actually getting on the uh, buy limit order. They placed the buy limit order below right here because we had a little imbalance. We had the order block at the bottom. We had liquidity. The market had created a double bottom. Remember, whenever there is a double bottom, a equal lows or equal highs, normally below, above this highs, this is liquidity right here, right? The um, retail traders right here normally they have their stop losses above those highs. So what's going to happen now? Is it going to continue pushing up? We don't know. Things are still bad. It's just that okay, we're just took the um, we took the chance. We take the chance and we jump in. That's what we do. All right. Now on the very top, what do you see? What are the things you're seeing? I'm going to give you this little tip right here. We are seeing a huge drop, right? This was the news that happened. What yesterday? Yeah, this is what happened yesterday with the CPI, right? Have a nice potential order block right there. So hey, I'm just gonna tell you this for free right now. You can just guys pay attention to that order block. Set alerts right here. The market is creating liquidity, right? This highs right there. That's liquidity right there. So at some point, perhaps the market will be pushing up, wiping this liquidity, touching, and then maybe dropping. Okay. So hey, guess what? So these guys who got in here, a nice target area would be around this area. So don't be greedy. I always tell my students, don't be greedy. Sometimes, you have to look what's behind, and just make sure to always secure profits, take profits, move stops to break even. Get prepared for anything, and even more now because markets are very volatile, and it's very important to secure profits as soon as you can. Okay, so I hope it makes sense. But that's basically it, guys. If you want to see about Nasdaq, I did not make any entry at all today. I was kind of after I was watching US 30 and S&P. I came to back to Nasdaq, and I was seeing that okay, Nasdaq. It looks like it did filled out this space. It had a lot of imbalances. It was an imbalance here. It was imbalance here. All of that got covered, of course. Right? This was the imbalance. This imbalance was covered with this drop. The price dropped twice, and I, activating the order block, and now it's pushing up. But of course, they're not getting on that one. Potentially, continuation to the upside. Okay. Right now, what you see, we're ranging. Market is ranging. Okay. Now, on a much bigger, as I mentioned, look at that. We have equal highs right there. So yes, we have liquidity on the top. Eventually, at some point, price could, maybe with some other type of news that will come out, price could spike up cover this imbalance, activate the sales, and boom, can have another big crash. So always getting prepared and seeing what's around you. And now I'm loving this supply and demand trading, photograph. So let me know, guys, what you think in the comment section below. Please subscribe if you're interested on what I'm doing, how we're trading. If you want to be part of the Team Profits, just go check out my website, teamprofitsfx.com. Alrighty, again, please subscribe if you're new on the channel. Give it a big thumbs up. Motivates me to keep posting videos every single day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, guys.